Welcome to another episode of DIY Skincare Treats. We will be using Miracle Glow Oil today. Miracle Glow Oil contains all natural 24 karat gold. So make sure you check out Miracle Glow Oil at SavvyNaturalista.com. It's a wonderful skin oil that penetrates into the skin. And make sure you check out our Larimar Elixir at SavvyNaturalista.com. Larimar Elixir has a wonderful jasmine absolute oil, and it is a beautiful oil to revitalize the skin. And our Larimar Elixir actually helps cleanse the skin, and Miracle Glow Oil helps moisturize, but you can alternate between the two, so make sure you check out those oils. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're following me at SavvyNaturalista.com, as well as my personal Instagram if you would like to get to know me better. So today we will be making a Spirulina body scrub. So I really love Spirulina. Spirulina is high in vitamin A, and it is a great way to revitalize the skin. And I really love using Spirulina in skincare products. I'm shocked I haven't did it on the channel yet. So we're going to get into this. So we're going to start off with a cup of sugar, and then we're going to add that, and then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of sugar. So you could alternate between salt, but I prefer you just use sugar for this one, and then eventually we'll do a salt scrub, a salt spirulina scrub. So once you've added your sugar, now it's time to add your spirulina powder. So I'm using this pure Hawaiian spirulina powder. You guys, this is a big jar, so it's looking a little oily. I'm sorry, I had it in oil on this spill. So this is a pure Hawaiian spirulina powder. It's pretty expensive. You can use different spirulina powders. You can use the Now spirulina powder, but I prefer to use this one because it's an all-natural one, and it comes from Hawaii. And you know, you gotta sometimes read Now Foods ingredients. Although you get a good bang for your buck when using Now food products or Now any type of natural Now products, you still need to be careful because sometimes they'll have like they may have spirulina powder, but it may be other ingredients, like with their lavender oil and essential oils, and even their rose oil. I've got their rose oil before, and they've added oils to it. So just be very careful when using Now products. So I'm going to use a little bit. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon. Not a half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon spirulina powder. However, look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful. However, if you are fair skin, I would suggest you use a little less, because if you're fair skin or like yellow skin, lighter skin tones, you tend to want to not stain your skin. And if you've noticed in certain of my videos, I have stained my skin before. If you see my turmeric mask, you've seen that I've stained my skin. So even if you're of brown skin, you can't stain your skin, so just be careful. So we're just gonna mix this up until it's combined. So you wanna mix in that spirulina powder. Mix that in, get those clumps out. So once you've mixed in your spirulina powder, we are going to use our Miracle Glow oil. So I'm going to just shake this up a bit. So as you can see, the gold dispersed into our Miracle Glow oil. Look at that beautiful Miracle Glow oil. Make sure you check it out, as well as our Larimar Elixir, which is blue and has blue tansy essential oil in it. So we're going to use about 20 drops of Miracle Glow oil, you guys. And do you see the gold flakes? Isn't it beautiful? So we're going to mix this in until it's combined. So now that I've added my Miracle Glow oil, I'm going to add lavender essential oils. You can use any one you like. This is just one I got at Sprouts the other day, so I'm using it. Normally I have it in big bulk, so you can just use any one you like. I have links down below where you could get lavender essential oil as well. So we're going to use about 10 drops of lavender essential. I just thought it would go well instead of a citrus, more of like a floral earthy scent, because spirulina powder, if you get a good quality of spirulina powder smells earthy and tastes earthy. It tastes really good. It's not nasty at all. If you're really into natural things, it's not nasty. But if you haven't acquired a taste for spirulina powder, well, you may have a problem. So we're just gonna mix this up until it's combined. This is perfect for all those people in your life who are really into the natural community. So they will get a kick out of this. I'm thinking about doing an all natural rainbow scrub. So let me know in the comments down below if you like it with like natural pigments, you know. So now I am using coconut oil. However, you can use any coconut oil you like. I'm just using this big one that I got. So this one is a little solid. So I'm doing a 1/4 cup of it. And then we're gonna mix, I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup of it. So I'm doing a 1/4 cup now. So I'm doing a 1/4 cup twice, which is a 1/2 cup of it. And then I'm just gonna mix it in, you guys. And it probably will look whipped. Depending on how your coconut oil is, your scrub may or may not look whipped. So this is gonna look pretty whipped because it's solid. And many of you know, we finally got if you don't know, I finally got a good AC. So since we now have AC in the house, we decided to get it once I got pregnant with my daughter. We decided to get the AC fixed at first. So now the coconut oil isn't melted down here now. It's solid. Now I'm in a nice AC house and the coconut oil is officially solid. So if you've been watching DIY Saturday for the last 2 years, or my skincare, we renamed the show, then you know how my coconut oil used to look. Well, now look at it, nice and solid during the summer. So I'm just gonna mix this in with my hands. However, if your coconut oil is melted, you can use a spoon. And like I said, depending on if your coconut oil is melted or not, it will not look like this. Mine looks a little solid and clumped together because the coconut oil is not melted. If the coconut oil was melted, it would look pretty you know, like a regular sugar scrub, like an emulsified sugar scrub. But this one is not. It's a solid one. It's a pretty one. So here it is. So this is what it looks like. We'll do a close-up with the hands. Here you go. Okay, so you guys, this color is beautiful, but I will say, depending on the quality of your spirulina powder or how long you've had your spirulina powder, your sugar scrub that you use it with will turn colors or it will fade over time. So just be careful. It can go from a day till 6 months. It depends. So I would say from like a week till 6 months. If you keep it out and it's not in an airtight container, it will fade over time. But this is what it looks like, you guys. And there you have it. Isn't it beautiful? It's just lovely. And then I'm gonna do a close-up in the jar or in the Pyrex cup. See, look how beautiful it looks. Isn't that lovely? So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of DIY Skincare. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my blog at savvynaturalista.com with 1 V for all your skincare needs. Also, make sure you check out Miracle Glow Oil at savvynaturalista.com. Thanks so much for using Miracle Glow Oil. Thanks so much for purchasing Larimar Elixir. And thanks so much for all those who watch my DIY Saturdays. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in our next episode of DIY Saturday. I also want to tell you guys, I will be starting to do natural baby skincare products. A lot of you have been asking me since I've had my child, can I do stuff for babies? So I will start. I have been doing some for my baby and I have been using some, so I will start that. So you guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye!